Para sa ating fourth and last quarter, Macho Bukin, Barangay Cabea versus Barangay Pangina is score 82-62. Ang 20-point lead para sa Barangay Cabea. Fourth quarter. Jersey number 2. On the corner kick. Ice cream dito para jersey number 27. 15 seconds shot clock. Almost loses the ball. Now on jersey number 29. Starts the middle. Legs it up. It's done good. One quarter rebound. Bawang rebound para kay De La Vega. Pass to Penny. Jersey number 18. Posing his body to jersey number 13. Was pass to jersey number 8 for 3. Bam! Jersey number 8 to lead. Jersey number 24, pass to jersey number 29, Lopez. Against jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 7. 15 seconds shot clock. Offensive foul, leaving jersey number 7. That is second foul. First team foul.
Wala na talaga sa sikat. Magaling yan eh.
Dapat ng konti eh. Magaling ang kamay eh.
Opo, magaling yan eh.
Ayaw magtitira. Hindi mo sumasablay sa 3 point. Nakakaapat na yan. Hindi mo sumasablay.
Ano siya?
Magandaan na. Barangay Chao versus Barangay Bukasyon.
Siguro sa larong set.
Siguro magaling din siya sa ano, sa bilyar.
Ang forward lang yan.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi sa sentro laro eh.
Kaya lang sayang, ganda ng height.
And last quarter is score 82-65. A 17-point lead para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 8, passing jersey number 18, Penny. Passing jersey number 8, for 3. Back-to-back 3-point. Para kay jersey number 8. Jersey number 29, Lopez. Passing jersey number 24. On the run, attack the limit. Turnover. Back to jersey number 24. Score 82-68.
Shout out Ma'am Banji, Chumauko.
14-point lead. 6-9 round kagarito para sa Barangay Panginay. Jersey number 17, puts it up. It's good for the para jersey number 20.
Shout out.
Quick cross para jersey number 11.
Lance Chumauko.
Jersey number 18 against the 3 defender crossing jersey number 24. Wide open for 3. It's good. Got him on the board. Now jersey number 29. Turnover para sa Barangay Panginay. Score 82-17. 18-9 round. Jersey number 18, Penny. Attacking the defense. Puts it up. It's good for 2. Para kay jersey number 18, Penny. Score 82-72. 10-2 round. Jersey number 11. Naging nago. For shot. Nice shot on the last one. Jersey number 11. Substitution. Jersey number 24 out. Replaced with jersey number 0. And plus 2 more. Time remaining 8 minutes and 23 seconds to play. Score 82-72. Substitution. 10-2 run. Kaya dito para sa Barangay Panginay. Jersey number 71. Conico. Corner pass to jersey number 8. 15 seconds shot off. Masyadong nakasapasa. Backcourt violation para sa Barangay Panginay. Substitution. Jersey number 7 out. Replaced with jersey number 6. Plus. Jersey number 29, Lopez. Pass to Aguinaldo. Jersey number 11. Across on the ball. Attack the defense. Jersey number 27. For the point lays up, it's still good. Over to jersey number 27. That's jersey number 29. As they go, they sit up. It's good for the goal. Nice. Jersey number 7, 1 for 3. It's still good. Bottom for the ball. Nice passing dito. Para jersey number 20. Jump ball.